Treatment of syphilis. Based on the dosage and duration of treatment, I have divided into 3 groups. First one is primary, secondary, and early latent. So, primary, secondary, and early latent is less than 1 year. So, let's look at the treatment of this. It is 2.4 million international units of benzathine penicillin. So, what is benzathine penicillin? It is just the penicillin G with prolonged action. It can last for days. Okay, 2.4 million international units of benzathine penicillin, single dose. This is very important. So basically, very small quantity of benzathine penicillin can be spirochetal. Syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum, which is spirochete. So very small amount is spirocheticidal. That is what I want to say. So how do you remember this? So basically, this primary, you should remember it as single dose. Okay. Next is late latent syphilis. Again, for this one, it's the same dosage with a slight change in the duration. 2.4 million international units of benzathine penicillin. But you give it for 3 weeks, once weekly. This is for late latent syphilis, cardiovascular syphilis, and tertiary benign. Now moving on to neurosyphilis. For neurosyphilis, the dosage is totally different. And the drug given here is aqueous penicillin. So why aqueous? Now there will be a question. Although blood-brain barrier allows only lipid-soluble molecules, why do we switch over to aqueous penicillin? So see over here, it doesn't matter whether it's aqueous, whether it's lipid-soluble or whether it's water-soluble. What matters is time-dependent killing. Okay, there must be some amount of drug persistently acting in the brain for it to kill the spirochete. So only if you give large number of doses will the molecules enter and it will stay in the brain for longer time. That is why we give aqueous penicillin. So aqueous penicillin, the dosage is, how do you remember it? So it was 2.4 there. So this will be 10 times of everything from primary. So it's going to be 2.4 multiplied by 10, which is 24. And the duration was just one dose, right, for 1 day. So you multiply by 10, it's going to be almost for 10 days. So 2.4 multiplied by 10 is 24. So it's going to be 18 to 24 million international units. Given IV, that was IM, this is IV. And for how many days? It's going to be 10 to 14 days. Okay, so this is different, and it's totally IV. So this is what I want you to remember. 18 to 24 million international units given IV for 10 to 14 days.